Welcome back to the channel, and this evening we're going to take a look at a program called Jitsi. Jitsi is a video chat, and it's all done through the internet, so you don't have to download any software, and it's very simple to set up. So I'm going to talk you through the process of setting up a chat and also joining an existing chat. So I'm just going to a search engine here to type in Jitsi, and as we look through here, it's the first one that comes up, Jitsi.org, and this is the main Jitsi page. And to set up a chat, we're going to go down to the middle section here, this box on the right that says See it in action, start a meeting. So this is the screen where you can start your own chat or you can enter an existing chat. To start your own chat, in this text box here, we're going to click and then type in the name that we want to call our chat. So if we want to call it Amateur Radio Club, we would type this in here and click go, and it would create this chat room. Alternatively, if somebody else had already created that chat room, or under a different name, you would type whatever the name of the chat room is here and you would join that room. So we're going to click go. I'm starting this room from scratch, and there we go. So it starts up giving you your picture, and this is being recorded from my webcam here, and also the audio's being recorded from my microphone. And sometimes it will pop up and ask you which, if you've got more than one device available, which device you would like to use. From here, we can go down to this box that's appeared here and add a password. So if we wanted to type in a password and click enter, so that other people joining our chat can join it using a password and therefore prevent other people from joining it by accident who aren't meant to be there. On the top left of the picture, we've got a little symbol here, and that gives you an idea of your connection strength. And along the bottom, we have the hang up symbol, a microphone mute symbol, and also a video mute symbol. On the left, we have a hand. You can click this to raise attention, and as you'll notice at the top left here, there's now a hand symbol. So other people in the chat can see that you're wanting to get their attention. The other symbols here, on the left we have a screen share. If we click on this, we can then select part or the whole of the screen that we'd like to share. Click allow, and that will actually allow other participants to view your screen. To the right of the hand here we have a chat. We click on this, type in a nickname, and as we type here, everyone in this chat will be able to see your message. If you're wanting to send a message only to a specific person that isn't visible by the other members, as other people join this chat, their screen and image will also appear here, and it will tile the images. And if you go to the top right of their image, there'll be 3 dots. Hovering over this will give you a menu, and in that menu it will offer you the option to start a private chat with that particular person. It will also give you a volume bar, so you can individually adjust the volume of the speakers in the room. So if some are louder than others, you can tweak each one to suit. Along the bottom here on the right, we have the toggle for tiling the images. So you can have them full image like this, or they can be tiled. If you leave them as full images, it will switch from one person to another as they speak. So whoever's speaking will be on your full page. I tend to find this is quite irritating if many people are speaking and it's flicking back and forth all the time. So in general, I would leave it on the tiled menu, so you're looking at everybody at once, and there'll be a blue border that appears over the person that's talking. Also on the right hand side here, there's an I for information button. This gives you the opportunity to add the password as we saw earlier, but also you can click here and copy the link to the room, which you can then text or paste or however you want it to be sent to other people who'd like to join the chat. And then all you'd need to do is quote them the password for them to gain entry. To the right of that, we've got the 3 vertical dots, and this gives you various different options here to start live streaming, start recording the chat, sharing a video, etc, etc. So this really is a feature-rich program. For most things though, all you'll need to use is what we've seen so far to gain entry, and the buttons here at the bottom to hang up, etc, to chat on the left there, to raise your hand, and possibly screen share if you need to demonstrate something. To log out, we just click on the leave button here, the hang up symbol, and we're back out. I'm going to go to Jitsi again, and re-illustrate that you click on the button here on the right, and if you were joining someone else's chat, you would type in here whatever name they've given you, and when you hit go, this is the point where it would ask for your password before taking you straight into the room. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability. And I think you'll find Jitsi very useful, free of charge, and also anyone can use it because it's internet based and not a separate program.